This is the DKLL12. Not certain exactly what model it is. PB1. It has 3 lasers and it has some mounting options. And it is not a USB charger. Thank you. This is indoor. Indoor it makes quite a compelling and there we have all 12 beams. Now we have 12 beams. It's self-leveling, as we can see. Horizontal, verticals. I do think they shift a bit in intensity when you turn on all beams. Indoor it's very visible all across the room. It's a fairly big room and I have no problems lighting up distant walls. Build quality. It's plastic. The housings here are zinc, I guess, and it could be plastic too actually. This one could be metal and these are plastic. Yeah, that's it. This is the only metal part, the rest is plastic. It's heavy. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside to get a feeling if the battery specifications are relevant. In the package there is also a magnetic foot mount. It's this tripod with a built-in leveler in it. And very fine adjustment screws all around it. This is all metal. This is very heavy. This is very sturdy. And there is some additional charger and a wall mount of some sort. And the optional aluminium tripod. Plastic except for the legs, that is metal. This is one of those parts that you start to wonder what type of market segment they are aiming at, because this is definitely a fairly low quality consumer grade tripod. You can use better than this. It is stamped with DELKO as well.